Hello, aspiring call center agent. This is Nayumi Cee once again. For today's video, we are going to do another sample mock call for retail account, and this is dedicated for newbies out there. So if you're a newbie watching or listening to this video, shout out to you. Please comment down below and say hi, I'm a newbie. And so yep, I actually prepared this script for you guys, so if you want to follow along with me, you can. And yeah, the topic is about order taking. So this is actually the most common concern or issue that you will be facing every single day as a retail agent. So make sure to be able to finish watching the end of this video, because yes, I'll be giving you also key takeaways in this particular mock call at the end of this mock call session. Apart from that, I already posted videos about sample mock call for refund request, replacement request, cancellation request. So if you haven't watched it, I'll put the link in the description box down below. So if you're interested, you can watch it as well. And so yes, without further ado, let's begin. And of course, the first things first, we have to identify what is the issue or the concern of the customer before we dive into the mock call. So yep, customer is calling to order floral dress for her upcoming trip to Italy. Alright, so here are the customer's details, or the details of this mock call. Customer's name is Teresa Washington. The customer's address is 152 Spring Valley Street, Philadelphia, PA 15364. And the name of the company she's calling is Women's Best Friend Shop. Okay, so yes, let's start the mock call. Hi, thank you for calling Women's Best Friend Shop. My name is Nayumi. How can I help you? Hello, this is Teresa Washington. I am calling to order 5 pieces of your floral dress. I'll be wearing it for my upcoming trip to Italy. Can you help me with that? Wow, I bet you're super excited for that upcoming trip of yours. I'll surely help you place an order. We have a variety of floral dresses. Which color do you prefer? Oh, I really am excited. That's why I want to purchase clothes I'll be wearing as early as now. Kind of missed traveling because of COVID early last year, so now is the time to explore again. So yeah, as per the color of the dresses, I prefer those colorful ones. So give me one sunny yellow, happy red, fuchsia pink, light orange, and emerald green. I agree with you. Nice color choices, by the way. I prefer bright colors too. It's good to see in pictures. So yeah, I have 5 dresses all in all, one for each color you've chosen. Each dress is worth $25, including taxes and fees. It will be $142.96 in total. So what's the payment method you'll be using for this? That's correct. I loved floral dresses in photos, even if I look like a flower vase. Just kidding. Alright, so okay, I'll take that $142.96. I'll use my credit card for this. Are you ready for the numbers? Nice joking. So yep, okay, we'll take that card then. For your security, kindly type in the 16-digit card number and the expiration date of that card in your dial pad. No need to put the CVV code at the back. Oh, okay, sure. Give me a moment to type in my credit card information. This is a MasterCard, by the way. Alright, thank you. I already got your card details. It's the MasterCard ending in 0056 with an expiration date of 12/20/24. I'll now proceed with the process. Can you give me your shipping address, please? Yeah, that's great. You can ship it to the same address listed on file. It's in 152 Spring Valley Street, Philadelphia, PA 15364. Alright, got it. Thanks. We have an ongoing promotion, by the way. We have free shipping for US UPS with standard delivery of 3 to 5 days. Or if you want to expedite it, I'll add $29.95 for a 2-day delivery. Which one would you like? Cool. I prefer free shipping, please. I'm going on a trip next month, so I can wait for it to arrive in the next 3 to 5 days. Okay, perfect. The order has now been placed successfully. You will receive an email notification with your order confirmation along with a tracking number. Is there anything else I can help you with today, Teresa? Wonderful. No other questions. I'm all good. Thanks for helping me today. You're welcome, Teresa. It's my pleasure to assist you today. Again, this is Nayumi from Women's Best Friend Shop. Enjoy your upcoming trip. Take care. I sure will. Alright, thanks so much. Bye. And that's it, guys. That's our sample call for replacement of an order. I hope you found this video valuable. So yes, as I promised, there will be what do you call this, key takeaways in this particular mock call. So first is friendly opening spiel. So of course, in order for you to make sure that the customer will feel lively all throughout your call session, you should be friendly at the start of the call. Okay. Alright, next is build rapport with the customers. As you can see, the agent tried to build rapport to the customer by acknowledging the fact that she will be going on a trip, and she is kind of excited because it's 1 month from today, yet she is already purchasing the clothes she'll be wearing for that trip. And most of us, especially women, we tend to do that most of the time. We get to get ready ourselves a month ahead on a trip. Alright, so yes, that's good actually, because I felt like the conversation goes very good all the way until the order was placed right after what happened. And then take care of everything that needs to be considered. So the things that needs to be considered is of course the shipping address where it should be sent, because most of the time maybe the customer prefers a different place to deliver it. That's why even if maybe the address of the customer is already listed on file, you should still ask where she prefers to deliver it. All right. Or the other one is that there may be a card listed on file already, but there are cases when customers has multiple cards. Maybe she has Visa, she has American Express, she has MasterCard, and all of those things. So you have to make sure that you would be able to get or use the card that she prefers to use, and that's why you've asked for the card details. And you also provided the options for the shipping fee. So if she wants to receive it faster, then she should pay additional. But if she is willing for it to be delivered for free, then just wait for 3 to 5 days, right? So yeah, those are the information that needs to be considered, and all of those has been taken care of, right? Including the total amount, including taxes and fees, okay? Because the amount of the dresses is $25, but of course there will be taxes for that, so that's $142 in total. And then ask question before ending the call. Always do this whenever you have a call interaction, because this will save your first call resolution as well as avoid repeat calls, as I mentioned. All right. And then last thing is wishing a customer a nice trip and giving a positive closing spiel. So that means that you have an undivided attention to the customer, you know what you're doing, and you're even wishing her a happy trip, which of course the customer will truly appreciate. And you also give a positive closing spiel by including your name as well as the brand or the company, the name of the company where you are working. So when the survey comes in, the customer will remember you and your company and will most likely give you a good rating. Alright, so yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to visit our page. It's Nayumi Cee. That's a Facebook page. I post my videos I also post there, but I also post the comments of those people who were able to pass and land a job because of watching my videos, and of course other videos of those helpful creators as well. And yeah, if you're one of those who already passed, then yeah, you might as well be posted in that Facebook page. I also post daily motivational quotes in that particular page. If you're interested with that, you can also do that, and you can send me a direct message there actually. And yeah, we do have a Shopee account. If you want to shop, I have a link in the description box down below. Feel free to browse and check our paninda. So yes, make sure to like this video, share this video if you liked it, then follow me on my social media accounts. Comment down below. Really appreciate your comment, guys, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And yep, I'll see you again next time. Bye.